yo, today I'm showing you the quickest way to get a clean horizontal shake for your edits. No long talking, let's just jump straight into the settings. First, add the keyframe at the start and end of the clip, and do same with other clips. Then, at the end of clip, zoom a bit and apply flow to graph, and do same with other clips. Now, go to Effects and add Shake Effect. Then add keyframe at start or end, then follow my steps. Then add oblique blur effect, then add keyframe at start or end, then follow my steps. Now, duplicate it 4 times and do same with other clips. Now, add turbulence 2 animation at all clips. Now the video is ready, so export it with 4K quality.